First, remove a reed from the case and begin soaking it during assembly. Next, find the neck strap and place it over your head. Remove the saxophone by the bell and hook it to the ring on the back of the instrument. Remove the black cap and place it in the case. Remove the neck from the case and place it in the receiver, gently tightening the screw until the neck is secure. If needed, you can use a small amount of cork grease before putting the mouthpiece on the neck. To assemble the mouthpiece, loosen the ligature screws and place it over the mouthpiece. Then slide the reed on, making sure a small gap is left between the tip of the mouthpiece and the reed. Tighten the ligature screws. Now you're ready to play.